Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a pivot table in Excel. So I have this sheet right here, and as you can see these are students and yeah, their results if they pass or fail. And I'm going to go ahead and explore this one. So we're going to go ahead and highlight everything here, click the insert pivot table from table and range, and then hit OK. So from here we're going to go ahead and bring out the result. We're going to go ahead and add this here in the row. And then for the average, we're going to bring it here to the values. And we are also going to bring out the student names. So as you can see, the moment you do that one, you are now able to see who are these students who failed and who are these who passed. Now, what if, say, for example, you want to identify or you want to be able to know the subjects that they failed. So what you can do is click the subject here. We're gonna bring it here in the second or below the result. So you can see who are these who failed now in English and in Filipino, history, math, and so on and so forth. So yeah, that's basically how you're going to get this done. There are different more applications that you can do with pivot table, but basically that's just an easier way of doing this. Again, everybody, this is how you're going to create a pivot table in Excel.